Hi, this is Vizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to share screen on Discord mobile. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Playing video games, drawing, even watching YouTube, these don't have to be lonely experiences. Sharing your screen on Discord allows you to show all of your friends what's happening on your screen and chat with them at the same time. So, on my previous video, I'll show you how to share screen on your Discord on PC or laptop. But now, what if you want to do that on your mobile phone? It's very simple. First of all, of course, you have to open our Discord. Now you can just start to you can choose on your friends that you want to share your screen with. Maybe that's on your server, on your call with your friends. For example, we try to on call with my friends. So I will start call. So now your friend can join this call. After that, to share your screen, you can just slide up your screen like this. So you'll find there is an option share your screen. You can just select on that. You can start now. So now you have sharing your screen with your friends on your Discord. It's very simple, right? So when you open any app on your Discord, your friend can see that. It's very simple, right? So that is how to share screen on your Discord mobile. And if you want to stop the share screen, you can just slide up and stop sharing. It's very simple. So that is how to share your screen on Discord mobile. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.